Sabrina, and today I'm going to show you how to make a no-sew doll tutu. You're going to need 24 pieces of tulle, 3 inches by 18 inches. I'm going to be using 2 different colors, 12 of each, 12 light pink and 12 dark pink. The first thing you should know when buying tulle is to make sure to buy tulle and not netting. Tulle is softer than netting, and that will create a softer look for the tutu. Tulle is about $2 a yard, and you'll be needing 1 yard. This is a demonstration of how to cut tulle efficiently. I'm going to be using paper because it's easier to see. First, you're going to fold your 36-inch long piece in half so that you'll have 18-inch long strips. Cut down the middle, and keep in mind that the tulle strips do not have to be exact. Once you've cut down the middle, stack your 2 18-inch pieces of tulle. Then measure up 12 inches from the bottom and fold the tulle at 12 inches. You should now have 4 pieces of 12 by 18 pieces of tulle. So you're going to stack 2 pieces of tulle at a time and fold these in half. Cut along the fold, so then you'll have 8 6 by 18 inch pieces of tulle. Take 4 of your 6 by 18 strips of tulle and stack them together. Then fold these in half again and cut along the fold, so you'll have 8 3 by 18 pieces of tulle. Repeat the cutting process until you have at least 24 strips of tulle. You might make a few extra just in case. Your elastic should be at most 1/4 inch thick. You'll be needing about 9 inches. If you can't get elastic, you can also use a rubber band. However, you need to make sure that the rubber band can go over the doll's hips, and it might be a little bit harder to tie on the tulle. Now we're going to tie the tulle onto the elastic. You're going to fold your tulle in half and then take the looped end and put it underneath the elastic. Then take tail ends, or the loose ends, and put them through the loop. Once more, you fold it in half. You take the folded edge and put it into the elastic loop. You thread the 2 ends through the folded end and you pull tight. Because my tutu has 2 colors, I alternate the light and dark pink. Repeat until you're done with all 24 strips, moving the knots closer together as you go. Your tutu is done. Adjust and decorate as you'd like. Thanks for watching.